Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to redeem Roblox gift cards. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Now let's start. So first you have to log in to your Roblox account, go to your profile, scroll down, and then tap on Help and Safety. Now what you're going to do next is you have to click this first option, which is Help Center. And then here you have to go to the search icon or search bar and type redeem gift or redeem gift cards. You should see that article about redeem Roblox gift cards. So all you have to do is to tap that one. And here is where you can see information about gift card or Roblox gift card. And in order for you to redeem Roblox gift cards, you just have to click this specific site right here. And this is where you can redeem Roblox gift cards or even codes. And all you have to do here is to enter the code. Now you have to read the following here in order for you to redeem gift cards. So there are some information and instruction here. Now you have to take a note that Roblox gift cards can be used only in the country they were purchased, and once redeemed, your balance is stored in your Roblox credit. Now, once done, all you have to do here is to tap redeem. So enter first your gift card code, and then after that, tap on redeem, and then wait till you see your Roblox credit stored on your Roblox account. So basically, that's how easy it is to redeem Roblox gift cards. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.